Welcome back to another Essence Motorsports YouTube video. My name is Jake, and behind me we have this brand new Porsche GT4RS. We're all falling in love with it here at the shop, but I'll talk about that later. We did full Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Nima's laughing at me behind. We did full Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF, as well as a ceramic coating, the Xpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating all around. Oh, and we did window tint on the two front doors in XR Plus. But Taylor's been filming a bunch of content. This car turned out perfect, so we're super happy with it. And yeah, Taylor's gonna show you guys, so enjoy.